Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Mesh System, and now I can show you how to change Wi-Fi name on this device. Firstly, you need to open Xiaomi Home application, then find here Xiaomi Mesh System, and scroll down, find here Manage Password, and here you can change administrator password from router, not from network. But if you want to change the password from the network to connect to Wi-Fi so you need to open Wi-Fi settings. Then here you will see name and password from 2 and 4G Wi-Fi and from 5G Wi-Fi. If you are using for combined dual band, so you will have only one line to change the password. And here you can change the password. For example, I want to add 9 here, and then just confirm, and wait until your routers are rebooted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.